Hey everybody, it's the Wargaming guy welcoming you back to the channel and back to the third and what I'm sure will be the final installment of the defense of Moscow. Can we save Moscow from the rampaging hordes of fascism? That's my task as a communist. Sorry, it's so weird calling myself that, but whatever. As you can see here, let me just zoom out a bit. If you've missed these, this has been an interesting game. They've done pretty well up north. In the center, they've actually pushed right up to the outskirts of Moscow. But in the south, well, things are not going too well for them, as you can see. I've sort of blown open the frontier. We've encircled 2 infantry divisions, and we've got a shot at oh, I forgot. I got to hold down the thing to do that. Yeah. To grab this and maybe, if we're lucky, get Krasnogorsk back. We'll see. That's what I'd love to do. So before we turn it over to the AI, I just want to look through here and kind of get a feeling for... Yeah, we're not... Okay. Yeah, that's not... Look at that. Dude, these guys are... Actually... How many does this guy have? That's not bad. Let's do that. See, this is why I wanted to look over. Oh, so close. Tell me that really now, seriously? He's got 1 step. How is it possible? How? How, I say? I want to kill this guy, but I don't want to just like annihilate this. 5-0 would almost kill this guy, even if we managed to take him out, which we probably wouldn't. That would certainly take care. So, no, not what I wanted. Go back. Thank you. All right. That's the danger of doing what I'm doing is you can, yeah, now see, this is what we've been faced with the whole game. These like just ridiculous odds. So getting back what I want's not going to be easy, to say the least. Maybe, yeah, see, it's like, obviously I can't just, well, all right, tell you what, let's, there, I didn't realize it was even empty. It shows you what I know. This map is hard for me to read. I wish... It's hard to tell where is this connected to, if you know what I mean. Like which... Yeah, so, okay, so they've still got supplies, but it's not great. Let's see down here. Ugh. And, yeah, I would just love to kill this guy, but do it. I'm going to do it. I don't know why I didn't do it last time. It always helps to look over stuff. You know what I'm saying? He could advance. Ooh. Darn, so close. No. You can't do it. I don't have anybody that can get there. Do I? Not even close. You're as close. No, wait. Yes. Beautiful. Now I took some supply away from these guys down here, so they're in even worse shape, although I have opened this up, and I can't move him out because they'll jump up and grab that. Oh boy. Yeah, okay. Maybe that wasn't the brightest idea in the world, but then again, I got their supply, so it's worth it. I don't care. Only I could pull you. Oh well. You know what? I'm gonna move him up because if they want to come down here, they can come down there. It's not gonna. Do I have any reinforcements for you? 1. All right. All right. That should be interesting. I didn't get the HQ for Army Group Center there, but all right, let's, yeah. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Boy, I'd love to kill that guy. It's so frustrating. It's because that river, probably. If I could just pull... But I can't. All right. Just double checking. All right, here we go. Let's see what the fascists will do now that we've stolen their supplies. Now they're being aggressive. Okay, so they did take that. I kind of thought they might just to get the prisoners. Ugh. Okay, there goes another armored brigade. Jeez. Oh, whoa. He's gone. Ugh. Man, the casualties in this game are just brutal. Yeah, he's gone. So my paratroopers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, paratroopers. Yeah, he's going to die. Goodbye. So maybe that wasn't a great idea. I don't know. I still kind of think it was. You'll notice they pulled back from Moscow, but the turn's not hot. That's what I was about to say. The turn's not over yet. They've got Krasnogorsk. Ugh. Ugh. Wow. So we almost... Ugh. Man, they are going for it. They are going straight for it. Look at this. They are just going full throat, full-blooded for Moscow, and... No! Don't do this. I thought I had eight. I hate it when they end these games before the last turn. Yes, I know I didn't get any of those, but okay, your victorious primary objectives have been completed. That's Moscow. There are no more bonus objectives left. You could have left them one more turn. You can end the scenario now. You may also continue a few more turns if you want to. Yeah, I got minus 50 prestige. I can't even... I mean, really? Minus? I just won. I saved Moscow. I killed quite a few panzers. I get 0? Really? All right. For the first time, I think ever, I'm actually going to go ahead and continue. Wow. I'd rather come down here and do something with this, but yeah, well, you're going to die next turn. You can't even move, so. Okay, he's gone. Ouch, that hurt. Can we move you? No, of course not. 4-0. 3-0. All right, and there's not much of a chance I'm going to be able to cut them off. All right, let's come. Oh, my. Okay, that's what I was thinking of, too. I need to look at my supply. Since I'm out of turns now, probably doesn't matter, but can I do a supply depot down here? Oh, we've already got one right there. Okay, never mind that. Let's... All right. So everybody's out of supply here. Nobody can do anything except pick up prisoners. Jeez. Do it. Heck with it. You can't move. It doesn't matter if you do move, you can't attack. So yeah, my lack of supply down here is really harming me. Get on that just to protect it. Look at that. Ooh! Like it. No, 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 no. come on. Oh, jeez. Can't attack there. Can't reach it. Can't reach anything. I should have just quit while I was behind, I think, but oh well. You know, you want to do something to these guys, but there, we'll fort up there. There we go. Ooh, and I got an overrun. Can I move? Yeah. It's not going to do me any good, but something, I guess. A little hope. Hope for the hopeless here. Boy, these guys are just... Yes! I killed another panzer! Yeah! No, that's not what I wanted to do. Dang it. Oof, we're wide open there. Can you? No, well, you can come down here anyway. Okay. Let's get you on that just in case. We'll go ahead and I'm going to, yeah, I tried to get trucks, but they wouldn't let me. Let's try that again. There. Now it worked. Okay, I don't quite understand that, but fine. So we'll let the AI do this, and then we'll go on to the next battle. At least we'll look at it. We may not start it. I don't know. Oh, no, they're assaulting Moscow. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, crap. They're just going to rotate through till they get it. Oh, that was a big mistake. Dumb mistake. I'm dumb. But I mean, historically, this would have been an absolutely major loss for the Germans. Oh, crud. Yeah, maybe. Maybe it's turning around. I will not make this mistake again. And he's going to kill him. And he's going to kill the tank. Yep, they got... Ah! I did worse continuing. What an idiot. Oh, that was stupid. Next time, don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Jeez, what a disaster. Yes, end this freaking scenario. Score minus 58. I lost 40, what is that, 1 or 43%? 43% of my, oh my gosh. No wonder I don't get any medals for this. Wow, talk about a Pyrrhic victory if ever there was one. Holy cow. In the north, Leningrad has been cut off. No. You're not going to let me... Oh. I got to read... No. No, I've done this. So... I have to redo this in order to move forward. Well, I'm going to have to think about that. So we're going to stop right here while I ponder this. And I may just redo the whole defense of Moscow, which I was feeling pretty good about until this happened. This, wow, negative 100 prestige? And I won, but I don't get to go forward even though I won. It's okay, so I'm just a little confused by all this, but what else is new? So, yeah. I'll think about this, and I'll be back probably in this very same video since we're only 16 minutes in, and I'll figure out what's going on. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's what happened. As I said before, I've checked it out a little bit, and yes, if you don't win to a certain level, then you still win, but you don't get to go on to a couple of extra battles that are available. So it's winning, then losing at the same time, which is a little strange to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to see. I've got some ideas on this scenario that maybe I can do better. I'm going to work on that, but I will actually video it if I get to that point where I can go on to the other battles. I'll be showing you those, and I'll probably make at that point, or right before I show those, I'll make the Moscow battle again, maybe available on a weekend or something for those of you that want to rewatch it done to a slightly higher level. That's assuming I can get to that level. So having said that, thanks guys for watching. We'll hopefully be back with some more from this DLC. I've had a blast with it. If you haven't picked it up and you own Unity of Command 2, it's cheap, it's fun. I would definitely recommend it. And until next time, take care everybody, and I'll see you later.